If you love deviled eggs, and I love deviled eggs, and I especially love the inside part, the yellow part, you are gonna love this deviled egg dip. And you make it using today's it girl, cottage cheese. 1 cup cottage cheese, a healthy squirt of yellow mustard, one whole hard-boiled egg, and then I'm also gonna drop in just an extra yolk. Teaspoon of relish, some fresh dill, and some salt and pepper. Some smoked paprika. Top it with a little more paprika, just like a hard-boiled egg. It tastes exactly like the inside of a deviled egg, a creamy deviled egg. It's delicious. High protein, low calorie.
Follow GrownupDish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.